news that's coming in at the moment. It's the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh who's made a very clear remark in the state of Jharkhand. He said, "I'm making a promise to you. The illegal immigrants in Jharkhand will be identified and will be removed once our government is formed here." This is the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, who was in Dhanbad in Jharkhand, saying we'll remove the illegal migrants in the state of Jharkhand. Listen in.
यह बताओ, यहाँ पर बांग्लादेशी घुसपैठिए आ गए हैं कि नहीं? भाई तुम बतलाओ, बांग्लादेशी घुसपैठिए यहाँ आए हैं कि नहीं आए हैं? क्या चाहते हो वो बाहर जाए कि नहीं? बहनों भाइयों, आज मैं आपको वचन देकर जा रहा हूं, जितने अवैध घुसपैठिए हैं, हमारी सरकार आएगी तो एक एक की पहचान करके उन्हें बाहर करेगी। बहनों भाइयों, एक एक की पहचान करके बाहर।
My colleague Satyajit is now joining me on the story. Satyajit, this election, it seems like the pivotal point this election season will be the illegal migrants. We are also seeing from the Chief Minister Hemant Soren to BJP leader, the Defence Minister nonetheless, now pointing towards the illegal migration and saying once we form the government, we'll identify them and we'll remove them from the state of Jharkhand.
Yes, of course. BJP has been raking up this issue since so long, and PM himself, when he had come to flag off the Parivartan rally in Jamshedpur on September 15th, he had set the narrative that infiltration has affected the demography of Santhal Pargana and the population of tribals has gone down considerably. It was 44% in 1951. It has gone down to 28% in 2011 census. So it's a big issue, and BJP is eyeing on the tribal seats because it pursues a non-tribal plant. Everybody knows it's in public domain, but they had failed miserably to make deep inroads into the tribal vote bank last time round. In 2019, they had lost 26 out of 28 tribal seats in Jharkhand, and that is the main concerning area for BJP, where they need to work if they want to return to power after the Raghuvar Das regime. So they are trying to set an agenda, and they know it very well. They know that the mainstay of India Alliance or JMM or Congress or RJD in the tribal segment is that they have been able to woo the tribal and minority voters. If they are able to make a dent out there, they will be able to come back to power. And it's considerably high number of seats. 28 seats are reserved for tribals, scheduled tribes in Jharkhand. So it's a deciding factor, and they have been focusing on this issue. At the same time, the state
Right, my colleague Satyajit giving us the details of what's taking place in the state of Jharkhand. The elections are just round the corner. The Election Commission had visited the state a couple of days back. The bone of contention now that has become between the ruling party and the opposition is what they're speaking at the moment is about the illegal migrants. And now this comes just a day after the Chief Minister of the state, Hemant Soren, dismissed Prime Minister Narendra Modi's claims. Prime Minister Modi had said there is Bangladeshi intrusion taking place in the state of Jharkhand. But the Chief Minister instead pointed towards the Bangladeshi infiltration taking place in the state of West Bengal. Listen in.
ये डेमोग्राफी इन लोगों ने खराब कर दिया। घुसपैठिए, बांग्लादेशी घुसपैठिए की बात करेंगे। मैं उनको कहना चाहूंगा, ये जाकर के आपने भारत सरकार का आंकड़ा निकाल के देख ले कि कौन से जिला में, कौन से राज्य में किस तरीके से आंकड़े में बदलाव हुआ है। जाके बंगाल में देखे, बंगाल का आंकड़ा क्या है, और पता कीजिए झारखंड में अलग अलग जिलों का आंकड़ा क्या है। तो आज पता चलेगा कि यहाँ कोई डेमोग्राफी में बदलाव नहीं, सब अमन चैन से रह रहे हैं, खुशी अमन से रह रहे हैं।